Nice. Okay, let's see. And then we have the last one. That's gonna be this. See if we get double audio today. That would be awesome. What? Did it work? Let's see. I have to log in. Okay, that didn't work. Does this work then? You have to log into TikTok now? Okay. Wow, I can't even type in the chat. What the hell is going on? Come on, Twitch. Wow, it's so broken. What? Good start. Test. There we go. That works, but why didn't the other one work? Okay. Let's do another test. 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 Didn't work either. Oh, that works. Good. Ready to go. Okay, today I'm gonna do some stuff. I'm gonna work a bit on an UI update. See if I can. For the game. There we go. Yeah. Let's see. It's gonna be a bit of a UI update. I made a text box and now I'm gonna make some buttons, a better start menu, and see if I can fix some bugs. It's gonna be pretty slow, so we'll see how it goes. That's good. They changed so you have to log in to TikTok to actually view my stream. That means people need registered accounts and properly age and stuff like that. So that's good news. Thank you. Finally. Maybe that's why it's not crap. So we'll see. See if my Twitch works. Good news. What is this? Did I have another one open? I don't think so. Let's move myself. Oh, there we go. This should work. Hello, test. Maybe the audio is a bit loud, so we'll see about that. That should be okay. Oh, and I forgot to add music to the YouTube stream. Actually, it could be good to not have anything on the YouTube stream. I'll see. We'll see. Sneep, sneep, sneep.
And it feels natural. It's probably right. So express yourself.
Edge
Feel
audio
wild,
works, but they're getting
beautiful,
ads.
strong.
Good. No thanks. We. Right. I don't understand why the game just sends you out to TikTok sends you out to so many weird people at once. There we go. Can I have audio only? Oh, there we go. Good. Now they should have a little bit of audio on that platform as well. Let's just take a look. Let's pause this. Let's just see if my Twitch works. Good news. What is this? Do I have another one open? Wow, that's super laggy.
Sure. It's probably right.
They have ads here. Why is this one so laggy? This should work. Hello, test. It's like 2 FPS. What the hell? And it's super behind. It shouldn't be. Whatever. I'll see it if it's gonna catch up. That's weird. That's so strange. Whatever. Twitch works. That's what's important. So let's go. I need to find a better solution. I think it might be because I'm doing using so many encoding streams at once. So it kind of crashes on the other platforms. But yeah, let's see. We have our UI update. Let's make a UI elements, high res. Let's see what we have. UI alignment, chatbot texture. Now we want a UI button and button 2. Should name these two. Oh. No, let's just call it 1. 1. And the other one 2 with underscore. So, hey, thank you for the likes. It doesn't show up on my stream today. That's weird. Must be a bug. 45. Code. Nah, I don't know. Today it's gonna be more of a not so much coding, but maybe yes, a little bit maybe, but not too much. It's gonna be more UI stuff, so it's not gonna be complicated. Because coding, I kind of need to do that off stream because I'm too slow. Let's see. Also made this little thing here. This is gonna be some kind of. I don't know anything about coding. No, I don't know much either, to be honest. Very basic knowledge. Let's move these here. UI button. UI. I don't want these to have big letter. It's better with small. UI button. UI button. Did it do that shit again? No, it works. TikTok is like, oh, you have to check your audio settings because it's not loud enough. Because you're not talking all the time, TikTok goes bananas and then wants to remove you from the platform. It's so weird. What if I'm a streamer that don't play music and doing like, what if I'm deaf and I have a camera and I would do like sign language and that's it? Then it wouldn't be okay to stream because this is a silent stream. What the hell is that about? You know, strange. Let's see. Name tag. I did a slider. I don't need to do that. I realized that I made a slider and stuff. Where is it? With the bar and stuff like that. But this is gonna be for the audio update, so I don't need that now. So for now, we're gonna do other things. Cog 1. I don't need the cogs either. You still scream like them, scream and laugh. Oh my god, what are you doing? Yeah, you're going to hell. I know what you mean, dude. That's not. You're going to hell. Yeah. Yeah, you're not wrong. Yeah, you're going to hell. I'm so sorry, man. You're done. Not good. It's like UI button, and then I need where was it? UI base. Why did I do big letter? Is it because of probably because of iPad UI base? You should have UI button. You should be like that, and you should also be like that. You don't want big and small letters because it's always case sensitive. So let's see. Go. After the door to hell, after the stream, the door to hell are gonna open and gonna give me VIP chairs. I think I might actually have those chairs ready for me. They're like, they're like warm. They kind of, they're like, oh, he's coming here soon. You know, I feel the same about most things. I've said so many bad things in my life, and I think everyone has. So I think it might actually be. Look at that lag. Look at that lag going on there. Why is it so laggy? This happens. This one is super laggy too. Why is this going? That's very strange. I guess it's gonna be laggy today. Not so much I can do. I might restart it later. I'm gonna check if it's the same on my other computer. There are no angels here on Earth. We all gonna go straight to hell. It just depends on the style you fall. I think most people, if you would like, if you have to follow, you know, I don't know, all the rules to if you want to go to heaven, you know. What the hell? Okay, you kind of. I think most of us are screwed. We can't do anything about it. Why is it so laggy? So tired of this, like fixing stuff every stream. Error. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. What? To maintain a. Okay, that's weird. What if I restart that? Ouch. Third? Fourth? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Okay, that didn't work. I was gonna fix some stuff. Wow, computer dying right now. Just a second. There we go. Now it seems to work. Good. What happened to the other stream then? Dun-dun-dun. Poor. This is weird. Open widgets? Oh, screw it. The vertical video can be shit on YouTube. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna see. Man, being a streamer, you know, it's pretty rough to make stuff work as it should. It seems to work fine. Good. Okay. That's the one people have to watch. Right. Now, let's see where I was. I've been adding some UI elements. And I'm gonna make a new... I need to start Blender as well, I think. Let's see. I think it was... Was it a visual novel? Yeah. There it is. This one? Also reminds me that I remember that I need to when we were shadow for narrator. What? Oh, I've done that actually. Images, yeah. See if I can spin the hair. That looks better. I'm not sure what I had on my... No. Then I did that. Okay. I want the video. I want the video to show from this, you know. But it doesn't work. There we go. It should be like that. I forgot to save this one, so... Save this as a... let's do that. That's fine. Let's use this image. Can I add that? Compositing. Well, I need to do that later, you know. Let's add this to UI update. Let's do that. Save image. Title. Oh. How do you make that then? Let's see. I have no idea how you do a mask in let's see. How to mask in GIMP. Layer mask, add layer mask. Layer mask, add layer mask. Add. Can I paint on this one now? Let's see. Brush. That's not a brush. Hats too. No. I need a brush. This one. What happens? Okay, it works. Okay, cool. How do I change size? Size. That's good. Maybe I can do a gradient instead. Let's see. Do we have gradient? Gradient. Can I do that? Nice. Oh, that's super easy. What the hell? That's too good. What? GIMP delivering. That's too good. Does that mean I can change it after? What? What? I can do it like that? That's too good. It doesn't need to be that long though. It can be like here. It has to be like here, I think. Ah, that's pretty cool. Hey, that's cool. Let's do max. And zoom in maybe a little bit. How do you zoom in? Can I press the gradient still? No. I think that might actually work. Let's see. No, it needs to be different. How do you zoom in? You do it like that? Cool. Oh, I forgot I need to move that mouse. I have 3 mice. Man, I want to listen to this again. This is good. I was supposed to check out an apartment today. But oh my god. I rode my bicycle to check out the apartment. It seems super nice. But we couldn't get into the stupid apartment because the person that lives there now has changed the lock without giving the key to the landlord. And I'm like, all right. And he's like, oh, it seems like we can't get in today. And then he tries to call the person. And I'm like, what the hell is going on? Like, I totally get it, but at the same time, what? So weird. How do you change the... I think that works fine. Let's try that. It's nuts. I'm like, okay, you know, that's fine. Save as. Let's export this as a PNG and see what happens. Let's call. You know, let's just save this. It's gonna be. Yeah, let's save it as that, and then export as. There we go. PNG. There we go. Let's see if I can change this. Let's see. Beep, 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 beep. Themes. I think that's nuts. I mean, how would you, if I would change my lock on my apartment? You know, if I did that, I would tell the landlord about it. But they didn't. And I think that seems weird because then if I move in, I kind of need to know if they still have the key or not, to be honest. So it's kind of creepy. We'll see. All right, let's see. UI button. I'm not gonna do that now. I'm gonna make like a new title screen. So let's do that. I think I started doing that. Scenes, game, start game. I think that's the one. This one can be here for now. And then we're gonna add a background. Background. It's here. There we go. Graphics. Title screen. Where did you end up? Where the hell did it end up? No, you should be here. It should be in the middle like that. Lurking here while napping. Wish you a productive time. Yeah, no worries. Have a nice one, Tiny.
Thanks for the head scratcheroo. Perfect.
Have a nice nap, Tiny. Did I change? Is this one better? Let's see. Look at that. This one is nice now. You look funny. What did I do? You know what? Let's toggle on. Toggle on. Unknown.
Timer loop is enabled.
Is this one adapting to? Doesn't. It's basically the same. This is gonna be centered anyway, so it kind of works. Okay, we have a new that one. Okay, that didn't work. All right, I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to do that. I'm gonna hide these for now. I'm gonna make like a new title screen, but it's gonna be smarter than the other one I made because I made some mistakes. So we're gonna try to make a button today. I think I might have to open the Godot manual. Let's pause this. I don't need to watch that. Why do you mean why do you think I look funny? What? Man, I bought this cheapest coffee and it's fucking terrible. It's so bad. It's so bad. Button, let's see. Button. No. Let's see how it works. Button. I think you can just make a button like that. And I'm not sure exactly how it works. This is a button. I think, and that's okay. So this is a button. And then I should be able to add my theme to it. No, I'm updating my game. I made a visual novel a while back, and now I'm making some updates to it. Bug fixes and UI fixes. So I added a new text box to it. So it's custom text box. And so I'm working on a bit on UI update. This one doesn't make any audio. That's super annoying. You should be doing that. Let's see. You should be going here. There we go. Now we have the audio. Good. Nice. Let's see if it remembers it. Let's see. Good. Because it still has a bunch of bugs that I need to fix, but I actually understand how to fix it now, which is good. At first, before I didn't really know what I was doing. So it's a bit better now. Let's see. So this is a button. Where's my theme? There's so messy, so I need to clean up the project as well. Gonna break a lot of stuff. Graphics. Where's the? I think it's in dialogic styles. No. Let's see, custom. Good morning, Ture. Where's this one? Is it UI custom? What happens if this is a button. I'm in bed procrastinating. That's good. Then you know you're doing something right. Let's see. Maybe I can do button. Let's try. I don't know. Button. This one. Menu button. What's the difference between a menu? I don't know. Import. Now I think if I have the button here, I should. Oh, you can do it. Okay, cool. I wonder if you have a button, can you add text to it? This is a button. So maybe you can customize it already. Let's see. What if I add to this one? Then I add custom to it. I think there's gonna be... But why are you in bed? Shouldn't you be in school? What? There's gonna be an ad in just a bit. I think. The ad didn't work? Did it break? Ad in progress, but it didn't... It didn't work? What? What happened to my ad? What happened to my ad screen? Ad starts in... Didn't do it. Let's see. Why didn't you work? Seribot didn't do anything? Hello, Mudcat. Why isn't Seribot doing it?
Hello, Acidot, Mudcat ready for adventures.
Where's
Meow.
this sneaky puffin? Why isn't Seribot in the stream? Let's see. Why are you not doing anything? How do I make you join then? Join. Maybe it's broken. How are you doing, Seri? I guess the bot doesn't work today. Now we're not gonna get any. What the hell? Very broken. Yeah. Very broken. I guess it doesn't work right now, so not getting the ad break thingy. That's too bad, because that's so good. That's too bad. So I'll try to keep track of it on my own. Let's see if I can figure this out. So I have a style, I have my button, and disabled, hover, focus, normal, I think, normal. My guess is that style box texture. Image texture. Let's see. Where's my UI thingy? UI button. Let's see. That doesn't work. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. It does it automatically. This is good. Okay, now I'm starting to understand this a bit better. Subregion. Like, you know, I had an entire stream where I tried to fix a button, but the reason why I failed was because it has to be square. It shouldn't be like I did it, you know. And why did it do this? You know, see? It shouldn't follow like that, but it does it anyway. That's super annoying. Grid snap. The editor for this in Godot is absolutely shit when you want to edit your buttons and stuff. It's really bad. Should be something easier. You see, now it brings the so bad. Like, I don't want to use the. So there's two things I can do here. Either it's this, which is gonna tell me the size of the button, and I want to change this to cut it. But for some reason, when you press, sometimes it does either. It just randomly selects whatever you want, so what it wants, and it breaks everything, which isn't good. Now I don't want to touch the red one. But it's gonna do it anyway if it wants to. Like now. There we go. I'm not sure how perfect this has to be. Wow, it's super broken. Maybe it needs to be way more in the center. No, then it's gonna become really, really big. And you can't edit this one at the same time. That's really bad. Subregion doesn't work. Strange. Oh, maybe I can't do it like this. My plan failed. Yeah, it's fucking failed. I have to redo this, I think. That sucks. That fucking sucks, man. I guess the auto kind of works. But it's not centered. Like that, maybe? Wow. I wanted to have, you can kind of see that it's, you know, symmetry. I don't know why, but I just like it. Okay, so now when I do that, it's right. Yeah, this doesn't work. No, this won't do. Basically, I forgot that if I stretch it, it's gonna look like shit. Oh, I might need to have removed this. This kind of works. You know, this could work. Yeah, I need to change that because the texture, yeah, that would work. Maybe it's gonna look okay anyway. That's so fucking stretched out. Yeah. Why did I think like that? Why didn't I do it properly? Yeah, this is stupid of me. Because now it's just gonna stretch. It has to be, we can't have a texture background like that. Maybe. There's no end. At the end, I don't think there's nothing. I don't think there's any end, actually. I mean, this doesn't work. I think I need to draw a new one. Actually. Yeah. One without the textures, or just have images. Maybe I should make the buttons with just images, but let's have it like this for now because this kinda works. Kinda works like that. That's kind of okay. Think. There we go. 458. What's this one? Okay, 4. Hey, that works. Ish. Kinda. It's okay. You don't have to understand. It's fine. The text, the button on the, let's see, custom. Oh, we have a button here. This one should have a hover. And it's gonna be UI. Supposed to be in UI, and I mean, do you even want to know what I'm doing? I'm trying to make I'm making buttons for my game, basically. It's gonna be like a start button and a quit button. That's basically it. But I realized that I can't do the texture like I've done because I'm stupid, and I probably have to do it as because I did it as a square, which is good, but then I won't be able to stretch it, and it's gonna be weird. So I'm not sure. Hover doesn't have one, so it's gonna be this. There we go. And I should be able to 458, 458, 458, 458, and this one should be 15, 15, and 21, I guess. Yeah, now it works. Now if I play this, same here. It's gonna be 66, and this is gonna be 191, and this is gonna be 78, and this is gonna be 201. Is it a button? I didn't get the ID. Yeah, it's like just an image. What I'm so basically in my game, I have a start menu, and I want to make one that is a bit custom, if that makes any sense. But this one is super glitched out, which I didn't expect. I didn't want that. So this one can be 66 as well, I think. Yeah. And it's going to be fine, I think. Let's see. Custom. It didn't work. Why can't I press this anymore?
Why was the cat sitting on the computer? He wanted to keep an eye on the mouse. Meow.
What? Tell us eyes on the mouse. He's done that joke before, actually. Then you need a click one as well, but I don't think I need. Listen, I don't know. I already this is already a game. I'm working on an update for my game. It's a visual novel. It's already out. I watch and wait. Okay, it looks like this. And what I'm working on is new UI and stuff like that. No, he knows more than one joke, but for some reason he does that one several times. So if you take a look, this is the start menu in the game currently, but I want it to be better. And that's what I'm working on. And I also messed up since I was very, very new when I started this. It was like a month ago. I didn't really know what I was doing, so I'm making it from scratch, just making it a bit better. Why are you so big? Why is the button huge? What the hell? How do you make the button smaller? Oh my. Okay. Why is the button like huge? Huh. Why is it so big? Fonts, let's change the font to... I think I have fonts in my game actually, so... Let's change it to... not this one, but Amarante. I think this one would go... do well. There we go. There we go. Doesn't work. Why isn't it changing the font? Thank you for the follow, by the way. Why isn't it changing the font?
Changing to the live to the model.
Okay, so it's 100. This is a button, but this is a very big button right now, and it's the wrong font. That's very strange. Oh, there we go. This is a button, and this is gonna be like start. There we go. Start game.
Changing to the live to the model.
The light to the model. Who did it? To the... Yeah. Whoa, I made a button, but I don't know why it's... Why is it so big? Why can I not make it smaller? Why is it so... I mean, I can do that, but I don't want to do that. Why is it so big? Can I make it smaller here? Should I scale it like this? What the hell? Like that maybe? Okay. It's a cute cat made. Yeah, it is. Okay. And then we have the title screen. We have this, and we got the guys over there. It's very, very big. Start game. Good night, Hussy. Good night. I'm gonna move it. Why is it so big? Maybe I should have changed. Maybe I shouldn't have this kind of button when I think about it. Maybe it won't fit with the game actually. Let's just try. Super strange. I mean, doesn't really fit the mood. Button looks good. It doesn't really fit the style. It's very, very strange. I don't know why it does this. It shouldn't be like so big. It's like a bit too on size. What if I do 50? It's still a very big. What if I do 200? Is it gonna be super big button? Yeah, 100. Button strange. Why button do this? Button, why you do this? But when I click it, it goes bananas. No, I can't change this texture. That's the problem. It has to be square. Sadly. Bottom. I could. This one can't do it. Is it because of the? Is it because of this? No. No. Could be because of this. Is this gonna make it smaller? No, it's still the same. Strange. Button doing weird stuff. What if I do horizontal tile? No, wait a minute. Vertical tile fit? Does that mean I can change? No. Content margin? You can't do minus on that. The button is too big. Button. Then you get double button. You don't want that. And you can't go minus either. Outline? Hey, that's pretty cool. I could do that. Icon. What happened now? Why did it turn into that shit? Huh. Why did it... What happened now? What the hell just happened? Why did it... I don't know. I'm gonna have it here. Wait a minute. Oh, it's because I didn't do that? Okay. This kind of works. That's fine. Start game, and it can be, I don't know, like that. I'm gonna put it here for now, like that. I have no idea what happened, but suddenly it became a good size, and I only pressed Ctrl Z. Not sure why the text isn't centered though. Think. I have no clue. That's fine, but 125 maybe? That's better, but it's very... Because of the outline, no? These are the margins, okay. Bottom. I could add a little bit extra, like 10 pixels maybe. And then on the other one I can add 10 as well. Let's see if this actually looks okay. Wow, now it's glitching out like crazy. Why is it doing that? Why is it moving up like that? That's weird. What the hell is going on? Why is the text moving? What? What's the difference here? 661, 41, 201. Because of this bottom. No, I don't need a gray outline. That's so weird. Why doesn't that? I'm not gonna change any graphically. 66 horizontal stretch 470, 458, 458, oh, this one should be 458. There we go. Now it's gonna work better. That's fine. That works. And when you click it, can I disable that thing? Styles. All right. So now that can this is gonna be fine. I'm gonna use this for now. So let's have the button. Oh, let's have it here. I think I'm gonna have start game. It doesn't really fit the theme, but that's fine. It's gonna be better than before. It would be nice to kind of know exactly where to put it, but let's do it like this. Not sure if it's gonna scale. It does. Okay. Start game, and then I can have a. It's a bit weird, but at least it's something. I have to make something. Let's make a new button, and we're gonna call that. Well, this is gonna be called start. Start button. There we go. Let's make a new button. I'm gonna call this search for button. There we go. And this we're gonna call quit game, because that's all we have right now. And where did the quit game? It's gonna be called quit game. And this can have another style. Now the problem is that it's gonna be too. It's not gonna be the right size, I think. So let's go. It's custom. Where's my custom? Oh, hiccup. Icon. I think there's an ad going on now. In 2 minutes, and I don't think the bot will actually figure this out. I think the Seri bot is broken today. There we go. Seri bot is broken. And TikTok tells me that I'm... TikTok just told me that I'm not live. And they want me to... They think this... Whenever I do streams like this, they think it's pre-recorded. Hello, Monty. How are you doing? Okay, let's see if I can... Theme. There we go. Oh my god. The biggest button. I guess we're just gonna change it like I did with the other one. Oh. There must be a way to kind of change the button to have a good size. I don't know. But I don't know. So I guess we're doing it this. We're doing it ugly. There we go. I don't know actually. I just started adding some stuff. Just wanted to add a couple of buttons. They didn't really turn out the way I want, but it's better than then nothing. Start game and quit game. I think this should be a bit more centered. So it's fine. Maybe they should be more like down here. I don't know. I don't know exactly what's going on, to be honest. So kind of free roaming right now. Start game, quit game. That looks super scuff. Quit game? Quit game? Quit gam? What? What's going on? Why? Okay, let's make it the same length as this one. What the fuck? Oh man, like that. The E was eaten, yeah. Quit game? Well, everything can't be perfect, I guess. So, but I think this works. I mean, I don't want to spend too much time on. It should just look a bit more like, and it's important that I learn. That's basically it, you know. It would be nice to just center it properly, but there we go, like that maybe. You guys aren't centered. Quit game. Hey, look at that. That's nice. That's not too bad. And then with a bit of better texture. It looks better than before though. I like it. But maybe I should have them a bit higher. Let's try that. And maybe move you guys up a little bit. Let's see. I want you to be centered. Yeah. I should probably have do you do drawing streams? Yeah, sometimes I do. Not that often right now. But I do tend to make a little bit of drawing. Actually thinking about making a Halloween drawing stream or something. Currently I haven't added any options. That's for the next update. Right now I don't need an option screen because the only thing I need options for is resolution and audio, and the game doesn't have any audio right now. That's for the next update. So this is like a bug fix, and then I made another graphic thingy for the UI. Let's see. For here's a settings, like a settings button that I'm gonna add, and then I also made a button for. Oh, thank you for the follow. A button for what's it called? I think I'm gonna put it here. Like a slider for audio, but right now I don't have that. There has to be a way to make this centered, you know? Yeah. Click. I mean, this kind of works. It's very, very off. I think I'm gonna have it like that, but I'm gonna fix it. It is very, very broken right now. Wii buttons? I guess that's good, I guess. I don't know. I don't know exactly why. You can hold the control like this. And it's gonna kinda try to do it the same. You see? But I think they might be different sizes. But you can have like UI thingy that does this automatically, but I just don't have it. Just needs to be okay for now. So quit game, start game, quit game. It looks okay. Not perfect. This one needs to be a bit.
Mugcat says, keep the mug. Join the perfect mug club.
What? There we go. Like that. I accidentally stole the mug. What did I do? No. The Wii buttons. Hey, that kind of works. That works for now. But I feel like the entire thing should be a bit to the left.
Monkey_dial. Thanks for the head, boo-boo. Perfect.
The what? I think it should be more. I think this one. Accidentally take the mug. Quit game. Oh, it's too far away. Maybe this one. I think this one isn't centered. Maybe they should be on top, like instead of being like that. I could have them that. And then have no. I like them like they are. I don't have any options anyway, so but maybe they should be more down here.
Changing to the 3D model.
3D model? What? Something. It is centered, but it feels so damn off center. Move them both to the left. That looks okay. I'm gonna fix this shit. Let's see if you can you button press? Can you change that toggle mode? Yeah, it is centered, but since the characters aren't like in the center, it doesn't feel okay. That's a toggle thing. Don't want that. I don't know. See what happens if I do that. I don't need that, I feel. Button group. Okay. Button. Then I need to add a the focus. Can I change this to? Can I do this? If I go into button, and then I do, let's see, custom. We take this, copy. Paste. Maybe that works. Let's see what happens. Now when I click it, it should just go back to... Why does it do like an outline thingy? What the hell? Why does it do outline. Is it because it's pressed focus? It's paste and then paste. Let's see what happens. Nice. Disabled? What? No. See what happens. Okay. Focus, hover, normal, pressed. All right. Maybe I can change the button to be toggle on. Let's see what this is. All right. I think that works. Button press. Let's see what this is. It's the other way around. Okay. Keep pressed outside. What is this? All right. Complicated. Hey, we got that going on. Let's see if I can save this. It looks okay. It's not what I wanted. I might actually change it into other buttons. But I think it's okay for now. I don't want to spend too much time on this. I have some more important things to do in the game. There we go. Now we have buttons. Start game and quit game. Not sure why it's so high, like wide. But and I'm gonna make another background for them later, I think. Let's see. Title screen is fine as it is. Maybe it should be a bit bigger. What happens if I do that? Is that gonna be okay? That's better. Yeah, that's way better. But it's gonna glitch out if you do this. But the buttons still do fine. That's good. Good. Start game. No, let's see. I have that. Now I wanna add a. Let's see. This is the thing I wanna like figure out differently, because in Godot you have this. You can make these signal thingies. Button down. Button pressed. So I should be able to make like a script here, I think, on start game with the stuff that I need. Yeah, because I messed this up before. So I should be able. Let's try it. Now this is where I'm gonna break things. So pressed. Let's make a script here. Just call it, I don't know, start game. There we go. And then I think I should be able to do like a pressed. And then we're gonna select start game on start button pressed. Quick. Touch script. Okay. I think I should just be able to do. No, I should be able to do this pressed. And select start game. And then just connect, I think. Then in this one, it's gonna do this. And when I add. Let's see. Start screen. This one, I should be able to do. Let's do this, I think. No. So that's the start game. So now if I think this might actually work. Let's try it. So now when I press... No, that's the wrong one. This is the one I want. So now when I press it, it starts. So easy! Oh my god! It's so easy compared to when I did it before. Holy shit. Let's see how many errors I get on this one. That's so good. Oh my god. No, thing is, like, before I made a fucking, I didn't know how to do the, like when I did this first, I didn't know how the signals work in Godot, and you can do so much with the UI, and I suck at this stuff, you know, and I made this like super crappy script. Like my title screen looks like this here in the, and this is terrible. This is fucking shit. So I have like scenes that I connect into this because I didn't know how to do it. I kind of had to figure it out as I like just trying. And now I can just make a, instead of making a script on every damn button, I can have it, it's just gonna do a signal and it's gonna connect to another script and it's gonna send like a signal. So when I press this, it's just gonna start. Oh, that's so good. Okay, on the quit one, I think, I don't remember what I did on the quit one. Was it? Get 3 quit, I think, yeah. So now I don't have, I didn't even make these as buttons, so this is good. Quit game is gonna, then I need do another thing on this one, and then it's gonna be pressed. And it's gonna be start game, and it's gonna be on quit game pressed. And now it's gonna, we're gonna get another connection, and we do that. And now when I run this shit, I'm gonna quit the game. Yes! Ah! I'm so happy. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna use the bathroom toilet. Oh my god, this is so easy. Wee. Oh, for those that didn't hear, by the way, I didn't. Well, I talked about it earlier at the beginning of the stream. Delta is never used in functional process. If this isn't fixed with Delta, don't need this one. I can do that. Doesn't matter. I think that's gonna. I was supposed to check out an apartment today. And I went there, but the guy that lives there already had changed the lock, but didn't give the new key to the landlord. So we couldn't go in. I'm like, what? This is so clean. Okay, that means I'm gonna try another thing. If I make a canvas layer, let's see here. If I add a canvas layer here, let's see. Layer. And on this, I'm gonna. I'm just gonna add a icon here. Let's just add an image. Where am I? So strange. So I was like looking forward to see the apartment, and then then we couldn't even go in. I'm like, okay, No, I'm like, oh, it's fine. We can do this another time. I said. So on Monday next week, I'm gonna let's see. Let's just try this. So I put leave into this. So now, if I'm correct, she's gonna show up like all the time in the game. I can't wait to move. Actually, I just want to move to a new place, and it's gonna be tiny, and I can do my stuff. I can stream, and hopefully that's gonna be okay. So hopefully she's gonna stay there. Yes. Oh, does this mean I can do like okay? Does this mean I can make a script on this? No, this means I need this one to be up here. And that means I could send a signal up to that and then hide it. Oh, I'm just moving like not far at all. Wait a minute. Does it? So if I have the start button up here, will this one don't tell me. Wait a minute. Oops. Not far at all. Thing is, icon on top. There we go. Because we just broke up and I need to find my own little place. I can't afford this. I have a very. It's gonna be the apartment I have now is way too big for my. I don't need it. It's too big. Okay, now it doesn't show up. Okay, start button. Will you do? I guess since it's down here. Let's see. Is it because? Is that the reason? No. Layer, is that the reason? Are we okay? We're doing that. Okay. So does it even matter if I do this? Will it still show up? Let's see. It sure is cozy, you know, but I didn't think I would live in a small apartment again. And I am here because I have a art studio and I kind of focus on that. And if I didn't have it, I wouldn't even be here, to be honest. With a loft, that's super cool. I would love to have something like that, you know, with one of those roofs that are like they're not like flat. That's cool. This one is super cheap. It's only, but it's without heating. It's like 3,100 crowns. Why? So if I have it up here, well, let's see. It's still not gonna be top, I think. Oh, it's gonna be that. Okay. This means I can. Okay. Cool. What happens if I do this then? Can I still change the? No. No. Okay, so that's what the layer is for. Okay, on top. So my question is, can I send a script to this one? It's almost like 5 meters. What? Then you can have another floor inside your apartment. Let's take a look. So now I just want to see if I can hide this or show it. So how do you hide your own join? I think people are kind of upset because the bot doesn't work. It's very broken, I think. Hide Godot node. There we go. The easiest way to hide method. So what? Hidden. Hello, Lemon. How you doing? Nice. Room for tall people. Yeah. Sure is. So, should I make a script on this? Or this? To hide it. Let's try it. Let's try this. Okay. Gonna be a test. I'm not happy about the buttons, but it's gonna be... You know, maybe I should change into another... I have another icon thingy that I want to use, but... I'm doing okay. I actually woke up at a decent time once. How are you? I'm doing okay. I'm learning. Thank you for the follow. I'm learning stuff. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should have... I'm just gonna try this. So I'm gonna make a script on this. And don't need these, right? Ready, maybe. Don't need delta. How do you hide something? I don't remember. Maybe I can just do this first. With that. Okay. How did you do hide again? How did you hide something? I think I have it in my... Man, I don't remember. Is it in my... Man, so much shit. This one. Self-visible? Is it this one? Maybe? What happened? Oh, thank you for the lurk. I think it's like this. So, start...
Changing to the life to the model.
No, I need to go in here. Surface false, I think. That might work. So now he's gonna hide when I press the start button, I think. Yeah, okay, cool. So it's gonna be the other way around. So I'm gonna hide that and it's gonna be true. Now when I press the button, it's gonna... It's a little under 4 meters. Did you just... did you just check it? Like... measure it? Is that it? Hello, Blade Studios on YouTube. Did you just measure the height? Okay, now it's gonna show like that. That means I can add the alignment on this one. I can have it just in one scene. That's very good. That's very good. Now let's that's cool. Now we have button. I think that looks okay. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Then we have the alignment. Let's see. A landlord removed a meter from the ceiling. But what do you think about what happened to me today? Because I went to see an apartment and the landlord couldn't open the door. Thank you for the follow. Couldn't open the door because the person that lives there has changed the lock and didn't give the key to the landlord. So I have to wait to Monday so we can get the key from the... Isn't that kind of weird? Yeah, you can pet my cat. For me, that's like, oh, they changed the lock to have their... I don't know, man. It's strange. Okay, so this works. That's cool. So this is the alignment sprite. I don't need this one. It can be alignment. Can I copy this? What happens if I copy this? And then have it in... Hello, I got banned on Discord again. Oh no, I wonder why.
Floof, thanks for the head bonkaroo. Perfect.
Hey, thank you for the follow and the head pat for my cat. Let's see who did follow me. Gans, thank you. Okay, let's see if I can. If I paste this, what? Why can't I paste? What the hell?
Baguette, thank you for the resub.
Hey,
Mudcat
thank you
sends
for the
purrs of joy.
resub.
Meow.
What is this? EVC Pain? Thank you, Baguette. How you doing? 11 months, you crazy. Okay, so how do I... If I'm in the... If I want to copy this... Can I not paste it? But... Why does it show up? Why doesn't it show up?
Turfloof, thanks for the head booperoo. Meowrific times.
Okay. Violent extremists. Yeah, I'm this close to banning you, actually. Everything for Germany. So don't worry. But you're kinda... You're on the edge right now. It represented the feel the face I make. Yeah. Is this how you look like? BBG, hello on YouTube. Who's getting now? No, I know. I'm just kidding. He's a guy on TikTok. He's getting banned, but not. No, don't worry. You're not getting. No one's getting banned. Don't worry. Animated sprite. Let's see. If I have this now and it's over there, is it gonna be? Do I need to make it unique or is it still the same? Let's see. Is it gonna be double now? I'm not sure. Can I should I make this unique? I don't know. Let's have it like that. And on this instead, I'm gonna change this, I think. This, let's see. So I'm just gonna see if it's gonna be double after I do the first chapter. Alignment sprite, I'm gonna move it here. My cat is getting banned. Fuck my cat, man. Boo. Yeah, my cat is getting banned. What is this? How's Zebla doing, by the way? I haven't heard much about Zebla lately. After I made the what's it called? Socials. After I made the little buddy. Oh, where is it? This one. He was only slightly annoying. My cat. Yeah. I uploaded this here. It got 2 likes and 10 views. That's terrible, but at least something happens. I'm trying to add as many 3D objects as possible because I wanna see if I can get if I could get a simple, like, I wanna find a job in gaming where I can make like simple 3D assets for games. That would be super nice. As freelance. I use Blender for all my
Changing
stuff.
to the 3D model.
So there's a bit of low poly and assets. This is my VTuber. It would be nice. I have some others. I have some more stuff I need to upload. This is like game ready stuff. Blender it is. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna see if I start this now and play the game. If it's gonna, this is gonna change. If it's gonna be another one over here. Wait a minute, I can hide this one, by the way. Let's change this. How do I remove the connection? No, wait a minute. Oops. This one. Disconnect, I think. There we go. Is this disconnected in the... This one? You know, you have to... Okay, you have to remove that on your own. Okay. But yeah, I use Blender for my stuff. Blender and... yeah. Wait a minute. Why are you still showing? Oh, it's because I'm doing the wrong one. Wait a minute. Let's see. Like that. That's how I should do it. Blender, blender, blender. Today, you don't have to worry too much, I think. There's a bit... I've seen... there's a lot of stuff about it. If you're a programmer, you're not gonna have trouble landing a job. That's for sure. If you're a programmer, you're gonna have an easy time. It's not gonna be any problem. But there's so much doom. Like right now, there's so much doom and gloom. And it's still possible to do it. But they kind of... There's so many that live on this thing that it's super hard to do. And I think that's true. But at the same time, it depends. So you don't have to worry too much, I think. And things will turn around and change a bit. It's mostly like in the AAA stuff. Yeah. Furniture pack, 10 every shovelware game dev until the end of time will buy it. I've been thinking about doing something like that, guys. But the problem is people download it and then they... Yeah. Like a furniture pack or something like that. I've been thinking about it, actually. And then people just buy it for $5 or something. It is possible to do, actually. You can... yeah. And then they make shovel... I don't... you know... Yeah, it's gonna be... As a programmer, it's gonna be super easy. You can work at Volvo or whatever, you know. There's... Oh, the glitches. Did you see that? That's something I need to fix. Okay, let's see. Now it's gonna show up. Both of them should fall. Only one shows up. That's good. Yes. Does that mean... That means I fixed it. What the hell? That means I fixed it. Now, I wonder if I can make a new icon. Very good. That means I can remove this. I can also delete the script. No, 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 no. Can I remove it here? No? Where the hell do I remove it then? Show in file system. There we go. Delete. Yeah. Not needed. And then it's gonna be... I think it might work, hopefully. Did I break it? Okay. I don't... Hello, Manchingi on TikTok. I don't know. I look forward to trying to land something. I think I can do it. Like if I find like a small company that needs like low poly stuff, that would be cool. That's what I wanna do. Like simple stuff. And this one works. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Now I wanna see if I can. I wanna see if I could. Let's take a look. I mean, I already work in the games industry, but I don't do it as the thing that I want. There's a lot of small studios here. One of them definitely needs some low poly art. Yes, but the problem is that they don't have money. I know a bunch of studios, but they don't have money. But I'm gonna make like a portfolio and then just send it to all of them and ask for freelance, because that's what I want to do. I already work as a video editor or community manager for a company, but it's part-time. I want something else, you know. I think these guys should have their own Wait a minute. Did I change the default text here? What? With the custom... No, did I? That's pretty cool though, but that's not what I wanted to do. How the hell do I... Okay, should I clear that? Maybe? Why did I do that? There we go, that's the default. But I want them to have their own... Okay, let's see. This thing, what is this? Nose with non-equal ready. If you want to change size using set the third. I have no idea what this is. I don't think it matters that much, so let's go into styles. I want to make a style for each character. Let's see what happens. Don't think it... Why are errors yellow? Let's see. I wonder what that means. Yellow errors Godot. Are they bad? Indicates that there's unused code in your project. Okay. Do they mean this? No. Let's see. This? What happens if I just remove that? Is that gonna work? I don't even know what it is. I thank you for the follow. Let's see if it works. Is he gonna remove the error? I did. He actually removed it. I have no idea what this one does. Finally, can I find it? What does it do? Well, I removed it. It works. The tweener, I don't understand this one. Does this even matter? Target object free before starting aborting tweener. Oh, that's for the animation. That doesn't matter. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can make a new... This is the narrator. Custom main style. I'm gonna make a new inherited style on this. Usually happen when something is sent optimal, something isn't optimal or might cause problems, but is it going to crash the program? At least in my experience, for example, when a function is never used in the code. Well, since I didn't, this is like edited code from the plugin, so I don't really know what's going on. But now I just uncommented it and it removes the error, so I guess that's fine. We'll see if it breaks. It's fine. That's the problem when you don't know. I'm never going to use a plugin. If for the next project, I want to make something where you move a character and stuff like that. I'm not going to... And I'm going to follow some tutorials. Usually yellow errors are fine, to be honest. Okay. Red are bad. Let's inherit inherited style. And we're going to go into dialog style. We're going to call this... let's call this Denver. He got his own Denver. Hello, Pofferstill. How are you doing? YouTube. Long time no see. What's up? On this one, we can have the custom alignment left. Let's see. We're going to do this one. I think this one should be disabled. Yeah, and this one should be... Wait a minute. We should change this. Okay, let's just try this. You're doing good? Awesome. And let me show you Pofferstill when I did the art fight. Man, that's a while ago. I wonder what happened. I'm so upset still that I didn't get a comment for the dragon. This one didn't even comment or anything. Nothing. And I worked so hard on this. So annoying. This one. Very cool character. I think this is very fun to make actually. Yeah, the dragon. Yeah. I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I made this in Blender. Took a while. And they didn't answer. They didn't do anything. They didn't comment on anything they got. And then they announced that they're doing art fight. Don't like that. But that's how it is sometimes, I guess. What the hell is this? That's just how it is. Alignment left. Let's see. Custom font. Let's see. Normal font. Let's see here. We got my fonts. I think. Man, I need to clean up this directory. Let's see. Which one is his? Is it Gago? Does he have his own chakra? That's his. Namen pen? I don't remember. Let's see. Timeline. The end. This timeline ending. If you thought about doing VR models, I have. This guy is actually a VR chat model. So he works in VR chat. So yeah, I have. But I haven't done much VR. There's going to be more. Because now I'm single and I'm going to have more time on that stuff. But yeah, I actually know Unity, how to set up 3D models and stuff like that.
Model.
So I could do that. Denver got the box Denver. How does your style look like? Box Denver. Fat face. You have the fat face, Denver. I also made some commissions. 3D. I made 3D assets. I made one custom pet, AI pet. That's the one I had on my social. This one. This one is a custom AI 3D pet. And I made, let's see if I can show you. Where's my Blender? Oh, I can click on this. No, it should be here. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be, I'm working on another, like a bunny model. Let's see. This is a model I'm working on as well. I haven't finished this yet though. This is something I'm gonna get back to. Sort of a worker mouse thingy. And I'm doing this one in a bit different way than I'm used to, just to learn. Then I have my Sif Giraffe, this one. Blender model, this one. This is a VTuber model that I made for a VTuber or a streamer. It's a mouse, so it's fully rigged and it can be used as a VTuber. So yeah, I do a little bit of that. Let's see if I can. But right now I want to like learn how to incorporate. The next thing I want to do is add something 3D to Godot and kind of move it around, like just an item or something. And it would be nice for me to be able to learn how to build up an environment, because then I can kind of combine everything and learn something from it. But right now I just need to get used to this app. Denver, you're gonna have the fat face. normal font. So now I think if I go into character and I open, let's see, the logic character files, I can go into Denver, and Denver, you're gonna have your own style. We're gonna go there. That means I think when you talk, you're gonna have your own font. That was an error. Test. Oh, it got its own font now. Test 2. Oh, nice. That's very good. But why did we get an error? What is this? These are yellow, so it doesn't really matter. Why? Why did we get so many yellow errors? It's super strange. 3 lines. Did he do it again? That's pretty cool. That means I can have different fonts for them. Very nice. But why? Change. I mean, it works anyway, but now I'm getting way more errors than before. Whatever, I don't want to go into subsystem and change stuff, so let's let it be. I don't know what to do there, so that works. Now we have that. Yeah, there's another thing I want to do. I want to go into... What is this? Common debugging. Are we... Why did you do that? What's this? Huh. That works. I want to go to Dialogic Pro. And we're going to figure out how to make a button. That does a signals. Time to go. Good luck with development. Have a nice day for everyone. Yeah, have a nice one again, Fest. And thank you for following and all that. Have a nice one. I'll see you another time. Text, writing text styles and layout timeline. I'm pretty sure I should be able to do a auto advanced. Here we go. This one. You can turn any of the enable variables to true to enable auto advanced. If you have on auto advanced button, you can use the following. That's the one I need to do. Let's see if I can add it. So, okay, let's see what we do here. This I can add here, I think. So let's make a new button. I think. Or should I make a panel? I mean, that could be the reason why the buttons are so weird. Maybe they should be panels instead. Probably not. So let's add a panel. There we go. I think panel container. Within the arrow style box. Is this the one that can have? No. I'm awake but not for too long. No worries, Merp. I don't know. How did you add text to a panel? I don't know. Let's make a new panel. Thank you for the poison. I use my phone to track my eyes. I don't know what's going on here. Thank you for the poison. I have an iPhone to track my face. There we go. Oh, it's not gonna show. Let's hide these. Gonna do that. This is a panel, and then it's gonna have the custom theme. There we go. I don't think this one has a panel. It has panel container, but not panel. Style box flat. You don't spin, you shake. Yeah, it's two-dimensional, you know? Maybe I should make a panel. Let's try this as well. Panel container. What if I move this here? And on this one, I have this one as well. It's gonna be different. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I'm messing this up now. Yeah, I shouldn't be doing this because I'm gonna break it. Yeah, maybe.
Merp
Custom,
underscore Susie. Thanks for the head bunkaroo. Possum vibes.
Head bunkero. Paper Mario 2D, he kind of turns around, but I can't do that with this. It's not possible. I'm so sorry. You know what? Let's let's remove these, and this one can have clear, and it's gonna be theme override. We're gonna make a new style box empty, and on this one we're gonna add the new UI. I can't do that. I can't make him spin
Chaining
around,
to the
Merp.
life to the model.
I'm so sorry, Merp. I can't do it. It's not possible. UI base. There we go. That's the one I want. I made the same mistake on this one. It's so damn big, though. I guess the resolution is just too high. And that's the problem. There we go. Yeah. I shouldn't have the noisy background. But let's see, how do I make... I can't add any text to this. It's probably better to make a new button. Yeah, let's make a button and then make a new custom. Let's do that. And this is going to be button. And... gonna do that. Gonna move that here. And it's gonna be theme. Wait a minute. And this is gonna be auto advance. It's gonna be auto. Let's do it like auto advance. The fucking eyes. That doesn't work. Theme override. Time again. Oh, here we go. Okay. Normal. I think it's gonna be normal, and then we add a new style box texture. And then we, oops. I should be able to do that, and then just add. There we go. Okay. And it's gonna be there, time and time again. Ding dong. Yeah, it's from TikTok. It's when someone follows me on TikTok. Then it says ding dong. Yeah, I need to remove the noise. That doesn't work in the background. Not when you want to do it like this. So there we go. We have this little thing. What I don't understand is that it's so damn... There we go. Auto advance. Yeah, it's not centered. That's the problem. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. 35. There we go. Oops. We're gonna do 50 and then 50. Then we get center. All right. That's good. Ding dong. Auto advance.
Enjoy your nap time, Merp_Susie.
Good night.
Mudcat will be here. Cozy in the mug. Sweet dreams.
Yeah, sweet dreams. Whoa. 2 hours, man. Ugh. Nap time for Susie. Auto advance. This is going to be like a button. I think it's going to be down here. And you're going to be able to click that to enable auto advance in the game. Apparently that's something people really want. I'm going to use the same style on that. I need to fix these, by the way. I understand what I did wrong with these. The texture margin top and bottom should be the same. So if I do 151, it doesn't do shit. Oh, it focused. So the one that is... oh, shit. Oh, I know what I... Okay. Let's do that later. The button here is gonna have... maybe we should just have this font. No, we should have a custom one. Let's go into fonts and we're gonna do Amarante. Font. Yeah, let's do that. All right. Font size, we can change that too. Can make that, I don't know, like that maybe. I'm just gonna put it here, and this is gonna be auto advance, advance. There we go. And this should have a signal to what? This is gonna have a signal to when you press it. And it's gonna be to that, and it's gonna be, there we go. And when you press it, it's gonna do this little thing here. I think this will enable the auto advance, I think. Let's try it. Problem is that it's gonna hide, right? Yeah. Auto advance. Wow, that looks like shit. Oh, let's see. Oh, it removes. Okay. We need to move that. I'm just gonna do this as a test right now, see if it works. Start game is gonna be there. It doesn't enable it. . How do you make it work then? Let's see. Dialogic settings. Text. Let's see what they say in the... It's a bit too much, guys. Too much with the spellbound thing. What is ArtStation is a feature. Automated progress through the timeline without user is pretty useful to provide hands-free experience. Main setting. Settings tab. Auto advanced settings. Here we go. 1 second. Let's see what happens if I just do that. Let's see if it does it. It doesn't work. Oh, it does. Okay. It's 1 second. That's cool. Okay. What if I disable it and then I start my game? I do that. I press. Now nothing will happen. What if I press this now? Is it gonna work? No. Why doesn't it work? Enable until user input. Can I just change it to enable? See, let's see. Let's see. Dialogic dot inputs. Auto advance. What do we have here? Auto advance.
Changing to the 3D model.
Enabled force. What happens if I do that instead? Equals to true. And then maybe it's gonna force it. Let's try it. Let's try. It doesn't work. Should it be? Is it because I... Is that a toggle? Is it if I hold it down? I wonder how this one works. Pressed. Maybe it needs to be a toggle? No. Because if I change it, it's still gonna be very strange. Let's see. Auto advanced. Can I make it? There are two setting properties. Enable until the next event. Enable forced. You can turn it to true to enable it on. If you have auto advanced button, you can use the following code. I did that. Oh, that's cool. But why doesn't it work? Auto color names. Oh, enable at the start. No. Is it because of the button? Pressed. I think it needs, this one needs to be on button pressed actually. Let's see. I need to read a message. I think it might be because I didn't do button down. When it's pressed, it has to be held down. So it's gonna be true, but after. Oh, that sucks. Okay. So I think that's... I'm gonna clear this, disconnect. And then this one, I can copy this one. So I think that could be the reason. So we do auto advance. And it's gonna be button down. Let's try that. Connect. I think now. Oh, it should be like that. Maybe. Now. I think when I click it. No, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Should I hold it down? It's like it changes it. Or something. Something is changing into to false. What if I do this? Doesn't work either. What if I do forced? Can you do that? That doesn't do anything. See. Enable forced. Let's see if this works then. No. Oh, it did work. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, that worked. See if I do. Enable forced. Let's see if it works.
Snack time.
Hey, thank you for the snack. Just a second. There we go. Let's see. Press that and see if it works when it's forced. No. Just something about buttons pressed toggled. Should I change it to toggled? Toggled on. Let's try that then, see what happens. Maybe that works. Let's see, let's go in here. Let's take that and add a the auto advance. Let's clear that. Connect. Toggled on. True. Let's see if this works. I don't think this works either, but start game. But it's not a toggle. Maybe it's the button setting. Toggle mode. Let's see if that works. Button pressed. Okay, let's see. Hey, why are you throwing stuff? What? Hello, Tashmania. Sorry, I didn't pay attention. Why isn't it the... Oh, shit, I know why. Oh, man. Is that the reason? Is it... I'm actually not clicking the button. I think. You know what? Let's okay, I think I know what I'm doing here. Okay, so I'm not even clicking the button because it's let's see. Yeah, it doesn't even do it. Yeah. So it's supposed to look like this when you move over it. All right. So it okay. okay. Now I get it. All right. So what I did before should actually work. Let's see. Fucking hell. Okay. It can be a toggle though. That's gonna be fine. Toggle is fine. Oh man, it's because okay. It's actually not okay. Toggle should work, so let's change it to doesn't need to be forced. Let's see. We should be able to change to the other. How you doing, Tashmani? Monty die throwing shit. Give snacks. All right. I didn't even click it. That's the reason. I was actually doing the other thing. So now if I do this, I think it might actually works. So, and there we go. Now when I click this, we're gonna enable auto advanced, I think. Yeah. It works. And when I click it, will it turn off? No, it will not turn off. But why? How does that work? Toggled off. Let's see if I can... Oh, toggle on. Can I make another one? What happened if I... All right. Maybe I can do this. It's a support row. Thank you. I think I figured it out. So... This one, auto advance. Now, if I make this into a no, this is for, I mean, this is the, I don't know. I've been thinking about it. I mean, I don't know. If it feels like what the hell? If it feels like the game is good enough to be on Steam, then I think I would spend a little bit of money and get it on Steam. But I want to add so much to it, and I'm thinking maybe 4 or 5 more months I'm gonna work on it with audio and everything, and I want to add some animations, some better endings, and maybe a couple of extra chapters. If I feel like, I don't know, if I'm gonna add it on Steam, it's gonna be for free. But it costs money to add it. I think it's $100. Isn't very high. No, but still, you know, should I add it? Should it cost something or should it be free? It's free on itch, but when it's kind of finished, should it be? I don't know. I don't think anyone will buy it. The thing is, I don't think people will actually buy it. Maybe when I promote it a bit more. I haven't really done that, so we'll see. It's more like I just want to learn right now, so that's what it is. Toggled on. Should I just add toggled off? Will that work? You can ask, yeah, but it still needs to be like, if it's $2, yeah, I mean, that could work. But the problem is, as soon as you, on itch, people are nice. And I know this from seeing other people post stuff on, like, add stuff to Steam. On Steam, people, if you make something that costs something and it doesn't have all the stuff that they expect, people will give you hell. They will hate you for it. People aren't nice on Steam. That's the thing I'm worried about. Then you get a bad rating. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. There's a bunch of cleaning up to do. I wonder how the toggle actually works. Let's take a look. Let's button toggle. Button toggle. Godot. Still roast-free games? Okay. Then it doesn't even matter what I do. Okay. Toggle mode in button pressed. All right. Else. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. No. The toggle has a bool. Is that how it works? If no way. No way. Is that easy? Can't really avoid criticisms as long as it's playable. You probably get most positive rating. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, if I do it, I mean, it would be cool, but we'll see. I'm gonna work on it for until I feel like it's finished and I've learned enough to work and go to the next project. The next project won't be a visual novel. It's gonna be another game. But I want to do some tutorials and stuff like that before I like attempt and learn Godot better and scripting in general. So does this even work? Really? Does it really work? I don't think so. Let's just else print eggs. Does that work? I doubt that's actually how this one works, to be honest, but we try. Else eggs. Oh, it actually works. We're getting eggs. Okay, it actually does. Okay, then I can just do this. I mean, it would be cool to make some extra money, but the problem is, like, if you would add, let's see, if you would add a game for, I don't know, $2. I don't know what the least you can do. Lowest price for game Steam. Like, what's the lowest? Okay, so if I would do like $2 or $3, first of all, if I would do $3, that would mean I don't know how much Steam takes, but I would get like $1 per sale, and it would cost $100 to add it to Steam. That means I would have to sell 100 games to get through the Steam cost. I don't know. That's pretty rough. Then it is sell 100 games.